I can't play this song because it'll be a copyright. I do like this song. All right, we are heading to the event. You guys, I decided to go with a slick pony. I did not do an updo or my hair all down. I just went and then I put these bedazzling earrings on. Where did I get these from? I think I got them at Forever 21. I could be making that up, but I believe I did. And I just popped on a red lip. I told you, I wanted to wear my crown so bad. I wanted to wear my head crown, but it was just doing the most. I was doing over the most, you know. So I did not wear that. Traffic is saying that we are going to be there about 20 minutes after it starts. That's LA traffic. I mean, please. It's just always traffic no matter when you leave, what time you leave. So as soon as we get there, I will get in and get a full OOTD. I did carry the bag that I told you guys I was going to carry. I am carrying my... what is this bag called again? This is not the Petite Mall. It's not, no, the Petite Mall, you're right. This is the Petite Mall, so I am carrying the Petite Mall. I have on leather or faux leather pants, and then I've got this little type, I got this get up going on, you guys. Faux leather shoes, or actually leather shoes, boots, pointy toe. I love a pointy toe boot. Lashes. I'm just real sleek tonight, you know what I mean? Just, you know. So as soon as we get there, I'll get a full OOTD. It should be fun. I talked to a few other YouTubers that said that, oh my God, you guys, I'm sorry, the road is bumpy. Hold on a second. I talked to a couple of other YouTubers that are going. I know Madame is going, and somebody else, I can't remember who, but somebody else is going. So we're gonna probably do some vlogging together or what have you. So I will see you guys in a little bit.
I'm well, how are you?
I love the coat. The name is Cheraye Lewis, and my husband's parking the car.
Yes.
Yeah. So he'll be in, but he's parking the car.
I thought you meant you left somebody.
No. Thank you. How are you? Thank you. How are you? Good evening. Oh, love. Absolutely love this. Simply gorgeous. Ooh. Of course, I was gonna come over here. The OOTD. Leather pants. I don't know what this is. It's a shirt, but it's got this little, what do you call this? Friend? No, it's not friend. I don't know. And then just a pony, you know, just simplistic. And then I paired it with my bag here. Absolutely love it. So that's my OOTD. They had these last year, the beautiful candles. These also make for a fabulous gift. If you're wanting to give somebody a piece of LV, comes beautifully wrapped like this here. And then they have the candles. I will tell you there is one that I don't like. Hold on. Oh, this one is really good. What is this? Oh, yep, I knew it. This is the name of it. I'm not going to even make it up on how to say it, but it smells amazing. Okay, so if you're wanting something, would you get an LV candle? I don't know if I would do that. I'm not sure. I would much rather put it towards something else. I'm not sure. So don't judge me if you accidentally see me come through with one. It wouldn't be an accident. Trust me, it would be on purpose. All right, let's go over to this. This is another way to go, another gift option, gift ideas. You can get this whole thing here, which is nice. It has all the different fragrances in. I probably would like something like this. This is refillable. You can travel with this. Comes with the atomizer. Very nice. Or you can get all 8, which is here. It has all of them, or majority of them, I should say. And you can sit this on your vanity. Looks like that. Super cute, right? Great holiday gifts, guys. This here, they also have this trio set of candles here that you're able to get. That looks really, really nice. Or you can give somebody a travel, what is this thing called? I don't know the name of it. A travel something, you know, to put the fragrance in and travel with it. You can give somebody that. And they're really promoting this fragrance. It's, like I said, it's really sweet. It's not for me, but it is really good. I will say that. All right, let's move on. All right, Cocoa Bird. I'm saying all these wrong. I'm telling you guys right out the gate that these are not going to be the name pronunciations, okay, because you know I'm making them up. But this is Cocoa Brunt. This is really good. It smells amazing. It's more the safer one, Apres or whatever, okay? Do not correct me because I already know that this is not the name. This smells amazing. This next one here is okay. Apple G is really good. This one is really good. I don't know about this one. I'll have to see if I can get a sample of this. Rose de Vent, you already know. I mean, come on now. It is absolutely amazing. And this one here, La Sabs Rose, really, really good. Perfect for right now. It will be perfect for this time of year. It's really good. And then this one here is the one that I love. Oh my God, he smells so sexy and so amazing. I have to pick this one up. This is what I wanted the last year. That scarf, remember? But I wanted the one with the white. I think it's gone. Oh man. I was looking at these scarves down here, you guys. I did like that one. But the one that I really wanted is gone. Oh yeah, I wanted more of a white color and I don't see it. Here are those famous earrings I see everybody wearing. They're cute. Alright, how gorgeous would it be to have this trunk in your house, okay? Like that is a centerpiece. Like if I can have that in my family room, that would be everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the top of it with all the little tuff in it. And it has nice gold pin details, super gorge. We'll get up close and personal, let's see. Ooh, there we go. Very, very nice. I would just use that as a coffee table, actually. Yeah. And I would leave it open, too. It's gorgeous.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
This is the scarf I was talking about, you guys. And this is the bag. Super cute. I don't know. Are you guys feeling this? Is this something you'd be into? How are you?
How are you?
Fabulous, thank you. You didn't expect that. So this is a scarf that I wanted, you guys. But I don't know. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Do you like it or not?
That one?
Yeah, do you like this? Is it? You don't like it?
We're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I haven't decided if I wanted to get anything yet or not. I hope I don't drop my camera over there. If I want to get anything or not, but remember I was telling you guys that I did want that holiday packaging. I do want the holiday packaging, so I did want to, I don't know if it's like a scarf or more of a twilly. I don't know if that's what they're called. I don't know. It's something, and it's really cute. I did want to get that for my pochette Matisse, and then I did want to get a strap. So I guess I'm gonna go downstairs and just look and see what they have. But this is a vibe. It is really nice. It's kind of quiet. There's a lot of traffic. There was a fire on the 405 freeway, so we were all like told to get off the freeway and then take the canyons, and that could be a little difficult, and it can also be very scary. Oh, who is this guy just standing all in my view? What is he doing? Maybe I shouldn't be holding my phone over here. Oh, you can't put that. Thank you. Sorry. Oh, it was my bad. I'm the one. Should have not had my glass up there. Hi, ladies. How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Just getting the scenic view. You guys know Madame. I'm going to put your channel up so that they can come over to your channel, We met how many years ago? 1 year? Oh, I was.
No, it was just that.
No, I was sitting at the penthouse when we met. Yeah, I mean, I was at brunch, so I know we had to meet this year, right? Last year.
At the event, LV event.
No,
Yeah, it was
no,
like-
I'm talking
it
about when you
was
first
May.
Instagrammed me. And remember, and you were like, I was watching your videos, and then I started following you.
Oh, that was, I think, January.
January, early of the year, right? Yeah, and then we met at the Louis Vuitton event in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then now we're just old pals, right? Yeah. So this is a nice view though, right? Yeah, you should be vlogging this. Get the footage. It's such a beautiful day. To think about it, you guys think about it. We are here in LA. It is what, January? You need to get more light on me. What in the world? Look how nice my camera's doing you. And look what your camera's doing. I'm not coming on her vlog. She doesn't have enough light, you guys. I can't do it. Anyways, you guys, I have no jacket on. Look at this. No jacket, just my bag. And the weather is so gorge. I mean, it's so nice. Well, anyways, you guys, we're gonna go. This was the hair for tonight. We both wear a red lip. We both wear a red lip. Cheers! I am with the famous Lisa. You don't. You look gorgeous. She is at. Tell me your channel. You're at DDG?
LA Diva.
LA Diva. So follow her on YouTube. Fabulous. All things luxury. Perfume connoisseur. So you guys have got to follow her channel. All about perfume. Based on Francis Kirk John. Vlogmas X, right? Oh. Oh my God, we're both wearing the same fragrance. Oh my God, so nice. So you guys, we swear by it. It's amazing. Try it. Right? Try it. It's really good. I'm still conflicted. Are you really?
And my dear, we're still goodbye. Snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Guys, I am back from the event. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let's just say that this vlog may be all over the place, but please know that I have tried, okay? Just know that I have tried. I had a good time. I ran into a few amazing people. And then I went to dinner after. You guys, you should have seen my lipstick, okay? It just completely came off and I forgot to reapply it, so forgive me. Whatever. Anyways, the fragrance that I did end up wearing to the event was Maison Francis Kirk John. I ran into DDG Diva. Okay, I call her Lisa. She is fabulous. I will link her channel right here just in case you guys don't know who I'm talking about. And she was wearing Baccarat Rouge 542, so we did that. I ran into MM. I ran into Charles, California, which his name is Carlos, and I didn't know that. So anyways, I ran into all of them and we had some fun. You'll probably see it in the vlog, whatever. I don't know how this vlog is gonna go, but I did run into all of them. It is super late, you guys. I am so tired. Look at my eyes. I put my lipstick on. I had Ruby Woo from MAC, and then on top of it, I put my Chanel. And then I just kept reapplying lipstick whenever I could. But then at the event, I was talking, hello, and I forgot to reapply. We did not pick from the advent calendar, so let's go over to that. We are at drawer number 8. Okay, so we are right here. Let's pick this out. What is it? You guys, one hand again, okay? She doesn't have an assistant. Ooh, what is this? Oh my, this is something different, guys. Let's see. Okay. Oh, can you be a light for me, please? Okay, so I have a little bit of a light on me. And look! Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so I have a little something, something. Okay, an unboxing coming. So it's not really an unboxing. I mean, let's just be real. It's just a little cute something or other. You know, I just wanted the holiday packaging just to put in my collection. Every year I go and I get a piece of the holiday collection, so I actually wanted to add this to the collection as well. So we'll be sharing what that is too. But this is what I picked out of the drawer for today, day 8. Ooh, this is pretty. You guys, I've wanted to use this. Oh, now see, this is... Oh, now see, I'm the wrong person for them to have given that much glitter and glam. Do you guys see that? Hello? You know, eyelids are just about to be like, okay, on overboard. Like, I was already extra. This is just about to take it over the top. And she's totally gonna go for it because I'm here for this. So anyhow, I am going to go and take off my makeup. It was a nice event. It was not crowded. I thought it was gonna be super, super crowded. It was not crowded today at all. Oh, that color is so pretty. And I'm gonna take a shower, turn down my bed, get the home nice and cool, turn down my duvet, and get ready to head to bed. That was day 8, and that was that on that. We had a good time. My guy and I went to dinner afterwards. We went over to the Mastro's and had a great dinner. I'm trying to have a little bit of light so I don't look like completely out there. So my guy and I went to the Mastro's after and had a little bit of a dinner, and that was nice. And now we are going to go. It's already late, so we're probably not going to do anything but get in the bed. I won't light a candle. It's too late. And then we're going to go to bed. So I had a good time. I did get a chance to meet Lisa for the first time. Beautiful, beautiful soul. Just a really, really sweet woman, lady, just as she is on her videos. You know what I mean? Just a very nice, very sweet lady. And I don't know why. I felt like I knew her already. I guess because I watch all her videos and I really admire her and I really like her. So it just felt like I knew her already. And she was very genuine. I love meeting genuine people. You know what I mean? I love like the type of people that what you see is what you get. That's like everything for me. Anyways, you guys, that is it. I'm going to bed. I have boot camp in the morning. I was debating like, should I take the next day off? Look at this. This makeup is making me look like I am. Anyways, let's get some better lighting going because that lighting was not serving me. That lighting was not doing me well. It was making me look really bad. I have to go and take all these eyelashes off. My eyes are red. I have been up since 5 this morning. So I am gonna head off, go take off my makeup, take off my clothes. I have tons of pictures. I gotta get this video. Oh, well, I guess this will be the video that you're watching, but you know, being tonight, I gotta get it up and get it loaded and get it ready for tomorrow. So I will have it up for you guys. And I didn't see anything at Louis Vuitton that I wanted. You know what I mean? There is something coming. I will say that. It's the BB Nice. And it's coming with the strap that can be carried as a travel bag or actually a handbag. So I was talking to the store director there. And he was telling me, you know, it's coming. He was like, hold out. Don't get it yet. You know, we have a new one coming. So I'm super excited and I'm waiting for that. Other than that, I didn't really see anything that I love. I talked about fragrance in the vlog. I believe I have some fragrance that I was sharing with you guys that are really, really good. If you want to know more about that, let me know. I can definitely do a detailed review and video on that. I have all of the samples and then a few of the fragrances, so definitely let me know about that. And I think that is it, you guys. I appreciate you showing up, hanging out with me every single vlog, every single day. This has been super fun. What else? Is there anything else I want to tell you guys? I don't think so. Leave your comments in the description box below. Questions, different videos you want to see. You guys, I was thinking about doing, I don't know if it's appropriate or not, but I don't know. I just felt like in the realm of getting to know each other better that I should do maybe a Q&A. Is it a question and answer? Yeah, I guess that's what a Q&A means. Do you want to see that? Let me know. If you want to see that, leave your questions in the comment section below or slide in the DM if you're shy and put your questions there. And maybe for the end of the vlogs, for Vlogmas, I'll do a Q&A. I don't know, just thinking of different things to keep the channel fresh and exciting and new. And then, of course, you know, we got all new fragrances coming. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I gotta go. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Oh my God, am I really saying it? Be blessed, what? Stay fit, what? And definitely stay fabulous. Thanks, guys. Bye.
And my dear,